Today we're looking at a 2009 Honda Pilot EXL. It's got 89,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. It's a local trade. It's crystal black pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. We'll start on the driver's side. It is equipped with the roof rails and sunroof. Got the nice window shades right here. Got a little ding in the quarter panel right here. Just gonna point that out to you. All right, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. It's got your tow hitch back here and trailer plug-in. All right, just a couple little more dings back here on the back lift gate. Bumper right here just faded a little bit with the paint. Okay. All right, it is a 2009. It does have 89,000 miles on it, so some of this stuff is to be expected. All right, but it will be aggressively priced. It will be competitively priced. It is a 2009, 89,000 miles. All right, just a little bit of swirling right here in the paint on the hood. And just a little bit of chipping right there on the hood as well. Okay, just want to point that stuff out to you. It's a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners, local trade. All right, got the gray door panels, got the nice wood grain aftermarket trim here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have gray leather seating. Okay, driver's side looks pretty good. Just a little bit of rub right through here on the seat, and also right through here. Okay, it's a power driver's seat. I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the sunroof. Center console's got your power outlet, USB, and auxiliary ports here. Okay, it does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. So, if I can get them to stay there. There you go, give you a shot of that. Passenger seat's in pretty good shape. Just a little wrinkle right over here at the entry point. And then on the door panel here. Okay. It is an automatic. Got your wood grain trim here on the knob. It's got heated seats, heated front seats. It's got dual climate controls, 6-disc CD changer. Okay. Does have your backup camera, and it'll be in the rear view mirror here, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. Got the nice wood grain trim here on the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 89,007 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display here. All right. Then once again, it's got your CD changer there. All right, climate control area, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, it does have your heated seats. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, once again, it's going to be up here in the mirror. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, this Pilot does have 3 rows of seating. We'll go ahead and check out the second row. All right, door panels back here look good. Got the nice wood grain trim on them. Carpet's in good shape. All right, does have your rear air, rear heat. Nice convenient power outlet there. Second row leather looks good. No problems at all here. Got the center console comes down, the armrest here. Got your cup holders there. All right, go ahead and give you a view of the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, and then you can easily access the third row here. Okay, but it's down right now. It's got this nice protector mat back here. Let's go ahead and lift up the lift gate here. We'll go ahead and pull this mat out. And then to get the third row up, you simply just pull up on these handles here. All right. Now you can see when that third row's up, it does cut into the space a little bit in the back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the seats. All right, leather's in good shape. No problems at all there. Okay. And then once we put these seats down, and all you do is simply pull that handle back down and push it right down. All right, now you can see how much it opens it up back here. A ton of room in this Pilot. All right, got the nice plastic protector mat. It's right in there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires on here. Tires are in great shape, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2009, 89,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax, it's a local trade, just 2 previous owners. Okay, got a couple of dings in it, a couple little paint chips on the hood. All right, but it will be competitively priced. It will be aggressively priced. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.